Okay, on this video, I'm going to show you how to install the hands on a Cuckoo clock. Okay, so the hour hand slides on this bottom shaft, and it's just a press fit. You have to line it up with the correct hour and just give it a nice snug push onto the clock. And then the next goes the nut with the square hole, and there's a little ridge. The little ridge points up, and that slides on. Then the hour hand goes on that nut and sits on that little ridge. Then the flat washer goes on next. And then the nut gets tightened down. Hand tight, that's it. Good luck.